Good afternoon to you, world. Well, I am Seth Aini, and I'm the brand manager for Tom Green. As you can see, Tom Green deals with gardening equipment, and then specifically, we have 6 basic categories under our garden equipment. We have our earth auger, brush cutter, blower, Tom Green tillers, and then Tom Green chainsaws. Now, basically, these are the ranges of the 6 categories under Tom Green. And I'm going to introduce you to all these sections bit by bit. Let me first of all deal with the lawnmower sections as I spoke of. For our lawnmower sections, we have a wide range of lawnmower sections. Basically, we have the aspect that deals with Tom Green lithium battery lawnmowers. We have the Tom Green gasoline lawnmowers, and then we equally have Tom Green electric lawnmowers. Now, as beautiful as this looks, what you see here is what we call the Tom Green TG46 lithium battery lawnmower. Now, this TG46 lithium battery lawnmower comes with a unique head or the engine block which looks like a space helmet. Now, this one comes as a magnetic block. As you can see, it uses a 40-volt battery. It has 2 slots for each battery, which means that it can take 80 at a time. And this is the adapter and then the charger for all that. This comes with the battery. We will give you 8 adapter, a battery for you to use and then charge it as well. You would equally have, this one comes with a 46cm blade. It comes with 6 gears, and then at the same time it is a push to start. Again, our lithium battery sections lawnmower, we are equally having our Tom Green TG96 lithium battery ride-on lawnmower. Now, this, as you all can see, comes as a unique feature. It has a steering wheel which comes with its own smooth leather lining. It equally comes with its own gears, and then at the same time you have the dashboard with the forward mode, which makes it very easy, digital dashboard that makes it very easy for you to control, and then the gears and then the brake pads all available here. Now, this one equally have a cutting height from 35 cm up to 115 cm, so you can easily adjust the cutting height as you want it. So whether to the minimum or you can adjust it up to the maximum, and that is the cutting height adjustment. You can equally adjust the blade height with this dashboard control as well. So you adjust the blades, and this one comes with a 96cm blade size, exactly, or someone would say 960 blade size. This one uses an 80-volt battery. It uses 80-volt battery, and like I said, it equally comes with its adapter and then the charges. Now, let me quickly touch on these ones. These ones are equally the gasoline section of our lawnmower section. Now, with these gasoline sections, we have the one that ranges from 4 horsepower, 5.5 horsepower, and then 6.5 horsepower per the ranges we have available. We have the Grandi, we have the Grandi Pro, we have Grandi Pro HD, and then we equally have the Maxi, which is the biggest. Now, let me quickly take you through this one. This is TG51 Grandi Pro HD. It comes with the British and Stratton engine, which is an American engine. Now, this comes with its unique features with big industrial tires, which makes it very rugged for rough surfaces, and it lasts very long. Now, it equally comes with a battery. It equally has a battery for the starting system. It comes with a pull to start, and this one has a steering control or a gear for the speed. You use this to rotate the speed as you would want it. It's equally a self-propelled lawnmower. This is a self-propelled lawnmower, and then you use this to control the speed. As usual, it comes with its own battery for the slot, so it has a unique battery. You fix here, and then you just press the button and then it starts. This has its own distinct features. So it is a push to start and at the same time it is having an external hole for those who normally like weeding on dry areas. If there are too much dust, you can connect your water hose and stuff to water the grass whilst you weed. It comes with a beautiful mulch, but this as well, this engine comes with a 6.5 horsepower engine. This will give you have the 6.5 horsepower engine just like this one. And then the other one is equally in the ranges of 5. We have the 5.5 and then we have the 6.5. So you equally have this and that are in the same category or the same range. We call this to TG56B and X. This is also British and Straton, and it's equally an American engine. Like I explained with the first one, this one equally has its own unique battery, and then the battery comes with its adapter. So you use the battery, then it comes with the charger and stuff. So you just charge the battery, you keep it down, you fix the battery at this section, and then you just push here for it to start. This one comes with a 56 centimeter blade size. The other one will give you a 51 centimeter blade size. So the choice is yours. You choose the one you want. The wider your margin, the larger the blade size you need to go for in order to finish the work early. And then now this is TG56 Maxi Tom Green lawn mower. Now this equally comes with a pull to start. Unlike this one which comes with a push to start, this comes with a pull to start. The blade size is 56 centimeters, and then it's equally a self-propelled lawn mower. As we move along the line, come with me whilst I introduce you to the other forms of lawn mowers that we have. Thank you.